Hey y'all, thank you again for joining me and welcome back. I'm here to be able to do another video tutorial or actually just ride along with me as I style and, work out my pixie. So I guess it's just another hang with me, roll along with me while I style my pixie. So it is freshly washed, it is dry. Now I'm just going to go ahead and style it, hook it up. So yeah, thank you for joining me. So I guess I will be working out and excuse my nails because yes, I know I am missing four nails. So after I finish getting this right and tight, the nails are next, and it's a good thing because I do my own. So thank you again for joining me. So let's work it out. And I gotta give me another tail comb because this one broke just last night. And then I'll be using my precision comb. And then I will also be using my regular handy dandy comb. So that's what we'll be doing. So I did wrap my hair last night after I washed it last night. I didn't use any other heat other than what I'm going to use right now. So I use some of this foaming stuff, and I actually mix my wrapping setting lotion together inside my foaming, so it helps. So I will be using these two. Actually, this is what I already used. I do have my two flat irons. I have a 1/2 inch, and then I got my pencil one, and my pencil one is actually a 3/10 of an inch. And that's what it is called, and it's actually by Red. This is a red pencil. This is by Red. I don't know how clear you can see it, but it is a 3/10, and this one is actually by Kiss. Okay, so here we go. Not exactly how I'm gonna roll with it, but I'm just rolling. And I do have my three-way mirror. This is my other handy dandy item. It is a three-way mirror, so because I'm not an alien, we do see behind our eyes behind our heads when it comes down to our children and things, but I really can't see behind my head without the help of this. So this is how we're gonna work it out. And to you it's kind of short, but to me I can see it. So this is what I'm working with so far. And I'll just go ahead and add a couple of little something to it so it can work out. I need to actually give myself a partial relaxer and then put more color into my beautiful gray hair. Yeah, so that's what I do. I highlight my highlights, and I highlight by using a rinse. So but it's time for me to get my rinse going back again, but I think it's still pretty good having some of my stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and work out everything here and there and see how I make it happen. All right. And you can see in the back of my hair, I'm not sure how clearly you can see. I actually did a little, it just would be the little S wave. It won't be a finger wave. So I'm trying to stay within that same direction. Just lifting here a little bit, getting a little on. Honestly, this little pencil thing makes your life so much easier when your hair is so short. You know, you try not to burn yourself, but it's 310. Wonderful. Ta-da. So this is what we got. Let me know what you think. You have any ideas, any comments you would like to share? Please feel free. Again, I thank you for joining me on my maintenance, my pixie maintenance and styling. So again, thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. Again, until my next video, I'll see you soon. Blessings to you all. So long.